Rio Grande do Sul. My home, my roots, my inspiration. We all know how breathtaking this place is, but lately, extreme weather has pushed us to our limits. Floods, droughts, they're real and they're here. So what can I do? What can you do? The answer is integration. That means bringing together what we do best: innovation, smart agriculture, and the strength of our people. Meet SIRC, the Integrated Climate Resilience System. SIRC is more than a project. It's an ecosystem. By connecting clean energy, new technology, and sustainability, SIRC creates a powerful cycle of positive change. First up, energy. Imagine microgrids running on 100% renewable power. Solar, wind, you name it. Producing green hydrogen. This isn't just clean energy. It fuels entire communities and keeps emergency vehicles running, even in the toughest crises. But SIRC doesn't stop there. That same green hydrogen powers our tractors, helping farmers move away from fossil fuels. With regenerative cattle ranching, we cut carbon emissions and actually turn the land into a new source of income, thanks to carbon credits. And in the sky, drones running on green hydrogen, planting seeds and monitoring crops, bringing our forests back faster than ever. Technology isn't just helping us adapt, it's helping us heal the land. Most importantly, it's about people. SIRC is about training thousands of young minds, building careers, and opening doors for families across the state. This is more than a vision, it's a legacy. SIRC, the future of Rio Grande do Sul, starts now. Want to join? The time is yours.